disappear. I'm your eraser. Ain't the cut just like a razor. Murk up in this world, my blazer. I got all the boys on me. I got all the lines on ring. 나쁜데 turning heads. I got all the eyes on me. Pretty face 걸어 들어와. 유행선두차 원하지만 못하잖아. 애가 타잖아. You like whoa. 갈리 유도 gold. 난 알지 I know. 준비해. Cause I like the ball. 멈추지 않아. 말할래. 그게 like a bag. 그거 말고 bye. 믿어봐. 그만큼 크게 어깨 펴고 high. 100% 덤비지 못해. 죽여주잖아. 나는 boss. 간지 with the sauce. 원하면 줄게.
I'm doing damage when that's how I planned it. I do what I want when I say. 모든 날 따라해 난 끝내주잖아. To live on the edge of insane.
Coming at you like real, real wild. It'll light it up, set the world on fire. Gonna break rules and hearts and tools, cause that's what the baddest do. Never going back, nah, nah, that. Diamonds on drip, cause I came to make a splash. Gonna break rules and hearts and tools, cause that's what the baddest do. It's crazy.
Sorry for the bad news, sorry I'm so bad. Only took a minute for me to get what you had. Sorry for the bad news, no it makes you sad. Yeah, for a minute, baby, you should pack your bags.
Way that I look should be breaking the law. If I don't got it, I take what I want. My circle small like a round of applause. You know that I love the sound of applause. You know I mean everything that I said. When you see me coming, get out of the way. Back in the sleigh, back in the sleigh. Back and I'm better and ready to stay.
I'm doing damage when that's how I planned it. I do what I want when I say. 모든 날 따라해 난 끝내주잖아. To live on the edge of insane. It's crazy.
Sorry, not sorry for being the best. 언제든지 내가 좀 해. Look at the gold, all on my chest. Look at the gold, call it a flex.
So you say it's big hurt. If you're tryna live safe, I'm tryna live fast, yeah, I'm tryna make plays. Bitch, call your mama if you're feeling away. Still going up, I'm still hoeing up. You know when I'm online, I'm still showing up. Fucking dummy, and he ain't even fucking on the low. He just kiss a bitch feet while he jerking on the floor. Yeah, I love you, easy fat belly trick. He just wanna suck ass, wanna drink piss. Stupid ass freak, and his wife's a dumb bitch, cause she work a real job and he's spending her shit. You could even be an old lady, cause pussy in demand, even if the pussy 80. It's crazy, I just gotta fuck when I'm lazy. If he got my number in his phone, then he pays me.
bulletins that he was with that one girl, Courtney Cadaver. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally IMing me all last night. We even did a pic for pic. So like, what do you think? Do you think that girl was pretty? How did she even get on his top 8? Did you see her? She looks anorexic and her hair is like 5 colors. It must be all extensions. We're in Orange County. Why does the DJ keep on playing I'm in Miami, bitch? When's he gonna play some Millionaires? After you go to the bathroom, can we get a Four Loko? I really want one. But first, let me take a MySpace pic. We should take one together, but make sure to get that high angle. I want to look skinny. What should the caption be? I need good lyrics for it. How about send that Fall Out Boy song? I only got 10 comments in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let's take another MySpace pic. Jason Genocide asked if he could own my pic. What a creep. Is that the guy from Hot Topic? Yeah, the guy with the snake bites. Next to the girl with the coon stripes? That girl is such a MySpace whore. She definitely uses Friend Blaster. I hate this drive to Hollywood. Okay, let's get some shots. My sidekick's about to die. Oh wait, never mind. Let's go dance. They didn't even have any vodka at this party. Let's go to the other one. Oh my god, Jason Genocide just IM'd me. Should I go home with him? I guess I took a good MySpace pic. MySpace pic. MySpace pic. MySpace pic. MySpace pic. 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 Let me take a MySpace pic.